In this SPS exercise, we know from reading the scenario that we're going to conduct a two-way ANOVA test. Ms. Hernandez wants to know about math ability, which is the dependent variable. She wants to know if math ability varies depending on gender, and she wants to know if math ability varies depending on socioeconomic background. And as we do in a two-way ANOVA, we're also going to look for an interaction effect of those two main effects, gender and socioeconomic background. So we're going to go ahead and run the test. You can see I have the two-way ANOVA, the example 1 or task 1 data set open. To run the two-way ANOVA, we're going to go Analyze and go to General Linear Model and select Univariate. And from here, we're going to click our dependent variable over here. Now, we have to go back to the question. In the question, it says, does math ability vary depending on gender or depending on socioeconomic background? So, math ability is going to be this math total score here, which is going to go in our dependent variable category. And then we're going to have to identify our factors, which are gender, and this is highest education, and if you cursor over it, it'll tell you the name of the whole field, and it has high and low socioeconomic status. We're going to click Options and select Descriptive Statistics, Effects, Estimates of Effect Size, and the Homogeneity tests as well. And then we're going to click Continue. And we can click OK now, and it will run the analysis. So down here in the ANOVA table, we can see, you remember that we're going to ignore the top and we're going to ignore the bottom of this table. And we're going to focus here on our factors. Here is gender or sex, and here is the mean square. You can identify that, the degrees of freedom, the mean square. Here is the F statistic, and the significance is above 0.05, so we can say that this is not a significant effect, the gender main effect. We can look at socioeconomic status, high and low, the mean square, the F value, and the significance. You can see this one is less than 0.05, showing it is significant. And then we look at the interaction effect between the two factors. And here are the values again, the F value, and it is above the 0.05 mark, so this is not statistically significant.